If you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, then this will happen to you. So subscribe, okay? It's easy. Today, a game I've been waiting for a long time finally came out. It's a Gorilla Tag knockoff, but it's great. It's called Monkey. Throw your monkey doo-doo at people. It's so fun. I've been waiting for this game forever. To use your microphone. Allow. Age verification. Where I have to do. Alright, I'm gonna cut this part out. Alright, and I'm back. You really have to make a whole goofy account. But yeah, let's go do a private one first. Private party code. Yeah, let's go do a private one. Loading. I literally pressed private. Oh, wait. Oh, you can't just run like that? It's alright. I'm going to the shop. Oh, man. You gotta collect bananas to get hats? How do you change your color and stuff? What? Choose your look right here. Was good. Orange. Orange. Yes. Yeah. Wait. This orange. Oh, yeah. Head. We can choose other options. Face. Doo-doo. Oh my god, we can get customization. Doo-doo. That's awesome. Sash. Oh, blue. Alright, I'm Ninja Monkey. Hey, bro. How do I get doo-doo? Hop in to join party. Alright. Menu. Settings. Okay, save to turn in your life. Inventory. Servers. United Public. Join.
There's an infinite money for bananas.
Yeet. Oh! I hate that you have to grab the. It's alright. Oh my god. No, doo-doo. Give me my doo-doo. I got it. Let's go.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm spinning.
More. These all doo-doo trees. How do you summon your doo-doo on a daily basis? I think you just grab.
This is so good to get infinite money. Help! Help! Why is it spinning me? Stop!
Bro, where are the bananas? How do you get that mask? How in the goofy do you get that? Oh, now it starts. So now we can get bananas. Ooh! Oh my god, I feel so much like a monkey.
I literally spawned at the map. Like what?
This is amazing. I feel more like a monkey than I am in Gorilla Tag.
We have to okay, well,
I hate that you have to verify an account to play it though. That kind of sucks.
You know what? Sucks fucking your scout.
Bro, where's the bananas?
Big bird.
Where are the bananas?
Hey, you right there. I really need
Shopping. Where are all the bananas?
shouldn't be going for me.
Hey, you
You're going
stinky!
banana.
You stinky monkey! Come here!
Babs is.
Come here!
Oh.
Banana!
Stop!
Banana! No, you stole my banana! Come here.
That's how I feel when you steal my
Uh, Get shit on!
Oh, for me.
No, get the menu out of my face!
That was mine. Piece of crap.
You get bananas from throwing doo-doo at people?
I'm targeting you, Elon Musk. You're so stupid. Because you got doo-doo on. You're always trying to go.
Oh, let's go!
Stop!
Come here, Ambu Mask! Come here!
I hate you. Oh.
Hey, Blue, that was my banana!
It's not
I'm like, no, no!
Come here. Look,
Yeah.
the banana's not working. You're not. What? Come on, I'm just walking over. What did I do? It's going right for you.
What's good, cuz? Come here!
No, my banana. My banana. Hey! I hit Elon.
Mine! No! This game is hard.
Same time. When I switch in it, you.
Mine! No! You goofy! Doo-doo!
Stop in your feces.
Dude, I only got one banana. Oh, I got second place though? Bet. Come here. Doo-doo. Come here. Get doo-dooed on. Get doo-dooed on. Come here. Ah! Alright. That was fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. I give this game a 9 out of 10. It is really fun. In my opinion, I think it is more fun than Gorilla Tag. Just my opinion, and you cannot call it a Gorilla Tag clone because the movement on the game, you have to press the trigger when you move. In Gorilla Tag, you just swing your arms completely, but you have to hold the triggers to move. So, yeah, I give this game a 9 out of 10, and the developers did awesome on it, and yeah, it's a great game. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
I wanna love you.